Hello and welcome back. I've got my digital phone up and running. Now I'm going to see if my buttons work on this one. So I'm going to select my location, Burnham-on-Sea, and when this loads, there it is, and that is how it should be looking, unlike on my other phone. Let's see if doesn't look like that button's working. Okay, let's try weather conditions. No, doesn't seem that my weather conditions button's working either. How about my water conditions button? Ah, there we have something. And it's the Met Office weather forecast again. So that's Burnham-on-Sea, Met Office weather forecasts.
Very moist.
And
I think it's so moist.
kind of annoying that my other buttons don't work. Oh well, thank you for watching, and I'll get the issues with my app sorted.